Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Des, and this year we went to Thailand on our vacation. There's a few videos coming up. This video is going to be a tour of our room that we stayed at in Koh Samui. But before we get to that, here are some highlights of our upcoming videos. Okay guys, now it's time for our room tour. We stayed in this wonderful resort in Koh Samui in Chaweng. It was such a nice place to stay.
Guys, it's our last day and I still haven't done a room tour, so I thought I'd do it now while our stuff is all out, unpacked. Housekeeping hasn't been here. Tried to make a bed. It didn't come out so good, so just ignore that. But this is our room.
Okay, so walking up to our front door, this is the room that we stayed in, number 7208. We really enjoyed our time here. Once you open the doors, as you come through, there's a little outdoor shower. It's quite strange showering on the outdoors, but Hayden enjoyed it. This door was very hard to open. Okay, so welcome to our room. It's not the most greatest room, but it had everything we needed. And the bed was really comfortable. We had a nice dressing room back there and a nice little patio here outside where we could just sit and drink some coffee in the mornings and overlooking the garden. Has a little bit of a sea view, but it was really, really nice. We didn't spend much time in here or in the room really. There's just too much to do in Koh Samui, so we were always out and about. Over here is our closet. There's not too much closet space here, unfortunately. Not really any space to put our clothes that our folded clothes, but we made do. What's nice is the umbrella that they have, if it's raining. We didn't get any rainy days, but it's always good to have one. And here's our bathroom. Guys, bathroom is very important to me. I don't really care about the room, but the bathroom is very important. That's our big bath. Sorry about the towels, my bad. And here's the shower, which had this amazing glass roof. That it just seems like you're showering outside. The water pressure of this shower was really, really good. Hi, there's me. Hi. Yeah, and there's the bath again. I love the bath without the towels. The room was really, really nice. I'm very happy when a bathroom is nice. If you're someone like me, then you'll agree that a bathroom is super important. That's the room, guys. There's a TV and the bed was super comfy, and that's all you really need. We stayed at Nora Beach Resort and Spa, which is located in Chaweng. The most popular places to stay in Koh Samui is either Bopit, Chaweng or Lamai, located on the eastern side of the island. Each area is unique. If you are planning a trip to Koh Samui and aren't quite sure which area of Koh Samui you should stay, it really all depends on what your preferences are and what you want to experience on the trip. Lamai is very laid back, but has some of the best beaches on the island. Chaweng is party central. Chaweng Beach Road is lined with bars, restaurants, stores, spas, beach clubs and nightclubs. So the nightlife in Chaweng is just such a vibe. Bopit, on the other hand, is also more laid back, but has some really great restaurants. For us, we wanted the beaches, the nightlife and the restaurants. So Chaweng was a great central spot to stay. It allowed us to travel to the beaches in Lamai during the day, go to the nice restaurants in Bopit for dinner in the evenings, and then party thereafter in Chaweng close to home. This is a glimpse of the beachfront pool villa suite at Nora Beach Resort. If budget is not a concern, then this would have been a great place for me to stay in, but I don't think we would have made much use of it because, as I said, we were hardly ever in the room. We were always out and about. There's so many great things to see in Koh Samui, so it wouldn't have done us justice. Next time, maybe. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so that you can get notifications of all the videos of our Thailand trip coming soon.